Hi, I'm Dr. Lance Morris. I'm sitting in my office in Tucson, Arizona, and about to take a sample of one of my homemade tinctures. Actually, need to reopen it and smell. Complex bouquet of herbs. So, to practice smelling, identifying what we're smelling with our sense of smell, rather than any other sensorium, to invite the spirit, the essence of the herbs, to do what they do. They're here to help us, guide us, teach us. And as we start to understand this and reestablish this sacred relationship with the plants and animals and other parts of our planet, we're functioning from a deficit, because the basic belief that our five primary senses are anything to be proud about is naive. If we compare human sensorium with animals, let's say comparing sight between humans and eagles, not so good for distance vision. As humans, really inferior. Curious. What about smell and dogs? Not very good. So wait a minute, what's up? Our sense of sight isn't very good. Our sense of smell isn't very good. What about hearing? How good is that? I don't know, let's compare that with an elephant. Not very good. So wait a minute. Sight isn't good. Smell isn't good. Hearing isn't good. Taste. Taste is a little more complex. Taste is linked with smell. But in the big picture, is our taste even that good? Again, we're comparing with other organisms, other animal species on our planet. That's the reference point. So, touch, this one's different. This is unique. For some interesting reason, touch, physical touch with our fingertips, really, really fine, really superior. And touch is the medium through which we are able to perceive the fascial membrane. This membrane is the connective tissue membrane under our skin surrounding every muscle. At the ends of the muscles, it surrounds all of the ligaments. It attaches the muscle and the ligaments to the cartilage and bone as a sheath. It's called the periosteal sheath. This same membrane surrounds every organ. It surrounds the heart. It's called the pericardial sac. It surrounds the lungs. It's the pleural sac. It surrounds every blood vessel, every lymphatic duct, every nerve in the body crosses through the blood-brain barrier. It is the meninges of the brain, inducing all of the wastrations and invaginations of the brain corporeum itself. It's layered fascia. From the skin, layered fascia. Contiguous everywhere. Contiguous, connected everywhere. I contend that this membrane should be really thought of as an organ, maybe the master organ. What? Yeah, we talk about the skin. It's an organ. It's an eliminative organ. It's a protective barrier. But it very much isn't an organ in its own right. But the fascia is something even more than just a simple organ. I contend the master organ. And it's our birthright to find and wake up this membrane again. What I've developed is a toolbox to make the connection, make it replicatable, make it subjectively experientiable, teachable. And that as we find this membrane, we find a doorway, we find a gateway that takes us both into inner transdimensional space and offers a gateway to extra-dimensional universe. The physical domain and the non-physical domain. A gateway between the two. The membrane, the edge. So I've written a book called The Edge and Beyond. And it's about the relationship between the connective tissue fascial membrane and energy distribution through the body, healing and consciousness.